I found a farm that refuses to farm, which sounds impossible until you step onto the soil and notice it's doing the work on its own. But that only happens because someone stopped fighting nature and started copying it, which means every plant suddenly becomes part of a quiet teamwork system. So the tall ones throw shade that protects the small ones, which means the small ones feed the soil without even trying. And the soil stays alive because nothing gets ripped out, which means pests have nowhere to take over and water has nowhere to escape. So the whole place grows like it's breathing on its own, and that's why permaculture feels less like agriculture and more like discovering a cheat code hidden in the dirt. And that's why if you want more stories that flip the way the world works, stick around.